is Festus Igwegbe. I'm the head of credit and risk management at Mkobo. I'm in charge of everything credits and risk management in Mkobo. The M is actually mobile, so the idea is mobile Kobo. So it actually came with the intention of being a fintech right from inception. It was registered in 2015 and it has been involved in new banking. What I mean by new banking, it doesn't have a banking hall where people come to transact normal banking services. All our products have been virtually through digital and every other e-means. We have a whole host of products. We have savings products, we have loan products, and we also have advisory services. So basically that's Mkobo in a nutshell. When Mkobo came up, the digital banking space was not that much explored in Nigeria. It was still coming up. So the idea of Mkobo coming in was probably to dominate that space and probably take over that space and make sure that Nigerians have access to more digital products, digital lending, digital savings, and also the major idea is to take care of the digital lending space and have more reach to Nigerians and Africans in general, because there are actually plans to go beyond Nigeria and to Africa.
The challenges would be in terms of advancing lending to the informal sector, as it were, and that is because of basically character issues. You know, you're unable to critically analyze character because the data is not essentially available, and so that was a challenge.
The major challenge is customers' inability to repay, to make payments. In fact, in lending, that's the major issue. So there are some customers, maybe salaried customers, that in salaried customers, the major issue is that, okay, maybe some people resign or get sacked before their loan is due for repayment. So because of that, they may not have the ability to pay when it is due. That's the major issue we face with salary customers. Then for market customers, for instance, some of them might just close up shop all of a sudden, leave. You won't be able to get the customer again. Some of them, businesses can go down. It will also affect their ability to repay. So there are actually a whole host of reasons. But the major issue with credit is that inability of certain customers to make payments. Mkobo's belief about credit is accessibility to all. We believe that every customer is liable to access credit anywhere, anytime, and at low rates. In fact, because we've looked at people accessing rates in different banks, some of them do so at a very exorbitant rates, and we don't really like the idea. So we believe in fairness. We believe that if a customer has to access a loan, he or she has to do so with very low interest, which actually informed the 0% interest we are charging for VIND, which we believe that the various government employees that have access to these loans actually enjoy that service. We just take maybe a little fee upon disbursement, which is the only thing which we believe the customer can easily pay without complaining. So based on that, we can achieve that idea of fairness and accessibility to loans at low interest or low convenience.
The fact that VendHQ largely services or provides lending to employees in formal employment, you know, salary earners, that has been able to address that challenge in lending because we are sure, and based on data and based on what we have been able to do over the months, repayment is guaranteed. Repayment is guaranteed largely because of the kind of lending infrastructure that you have had to put in place.
How VinHQ has been able to resolve some of the issues we experience is that because the repayment is usually deducted at source. So as long as the customer remains a staff of the government parastatal or the government, the salaries will always come. And as long as salaries come, repayments will always come to us.
I also appreciate the fact that VendHQ as a platform is in the market to serve everyone, And if, as stakeholders in the financial services sector, our goal is to provide lending to as many people we can, I'm not even sure that we can take it all up by ourselves. So it would be nice if other stakeholders, come on board this platform. The goal really is not about a particular organization. It's about the impact, that your infrastructure, your platform is creating out there in the economy. So that in itself is bigger than one single organization. So having to leverage, or having to ask other entities to leverage your platform will not be a bad idea.